Image AM and FM machining. Image AM and FM machining is to engrave the object after the image has been converted into a grayscale image. AM machining is to make the distance between the dots the same, while the depth of each dot is different according to the grayscale of the picture. FM machining is to make sure the depth of every dot is the same, while varying the distance between each dot. For example, we import a grayscale image into UcanCam. Scale it down to 400. Now go to Toolpath, Image AM Machining. Choose your tool. And the space and various parameters you can edit here. Minimum brightness depth and the maximum brightness depth will be determined by the grayscale of the image. Same goes for FM machining. Change the depth of every dot to 0.25. And the toolpath will be created. If you wish to save the toolpath, make sure you save them separately. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.